The 2020 Alpina B3 Saloon. Where do you go when you want a car that looks like a BMW and still is a BMW deep inside, but sports subtle design tweaks, boosted powerplants, and new badges without looking over the top and rather elegant instead? Well, if you're thinking Alpina, then you're absolutely right. The firm calls itself a manufacturer because it does not offer aftermarket kits, tuning chips, of mods, but instead, it delivers BMW-based models that have been tweaked from the ground up. Alpina's latest product, the B3 Saloon, just took the stage in Tokyo, so why don't we get to learn what's it all about? Exterior. Obviously, the Alpina B3 sedan is based on the new BMW 3 Series. And since the model is called the B3 and not the D3, we know for sure that the sedan hides a gasoline engine under the hood instead of a diesel unit. But we'll get to that later. For now, let's have a quick look at what changed for the Alpina B3 in terms of aesthetics. Now, Alpina is known for subtly tweaking every BMW model it gets its hand on, adding extra elegance and appeal without overdoing things. The same can be said about the Alpina B3 here, which falls under the brand's form follows function creed. Looking at the B3 head-on, it's easy to spot some of the changes that went in there. Obviously, the front spoiler lip features the free-floating Alpina logo, while the side air intakes have been optimized to increase cooling performance and improve the sedan's aero credentials for as little uplift as possible and extra stability at higher speeds. On the paint front, customers get to choose between the Alpina Blue Metallic and Alpina Green Metallic finishes, as well as a wide variety of BMW and BMW individual paint jobs that can be specified at any time. The B3 Saloon is fitted as standard with the new 19-inch Alpina dynamic wheels that feature a 5x4 multi-spoke design or, on request, customers can have the larger, 20-inch Alpina Classic wheels with 20 spokes and lockable wheel hub covers. The wheels are shod in specifically developed Pirelli P0 Alp tires said to rely on ultra-high-performance compounds for the best available grip levels. The finishing touches are added by the blue Alpina brake calipers that create an almost royal-like aura around the whole car. The side profile doesn't show any changes, while the rear end gets a new subtle diffuser flanked by the double pipe arrangement of the Alpina Sport exhaust setup on each side, a lip spoiler on the trunk lid and the compulsory Alpina and B3 logos. Oh, and if a performance sedan is not your piece of pie or you're just looking for more space to serve your big family, then fret not, as Alpina will gladly sell you the B3 in wagon guise. The B3 Saloon is 4,719 mm long, 2,068 mm wide, and 1,440 mm tall. Wheelbase stretches to 2,851 mm. Some of these coordinates are different for the Alpina B3 Touring, of course. The wagon is said to share the same length, width, and wheelbase with the B3 Saloon, according to Alpina, but is a tad more petite thanks to a height of 1,438 mm. Interior. As it's customary with every Alpina product, the B3's cabin gets its fair share of posh materials and subtle tweaks that go hand in hand with the sleeker exterior. Customers can have the Lavalina leather upholstery and enjoy its comfort and climatic properties, but as usual, Alpina can customize a lot of elements inside the cockpit.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.